Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Anthony and in today's video I'm going to show you how to upload to Shutterstock and how to navigate through that process and make sure that you're uploading in the quickest amount of time possible so then you can make that money. But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help my channel to grow. Please also leave a comment as well. Do you like these kind of videos? Do you want to see more of how to make more money and all of that sort of stuff? Yeah, let me know in the comment section below. Alright, okay, let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is draw loads of stuff ready to start uploading to Shutterstock. I've got about 6 or 7 things that I've already drawn up that I'm just going to quickly put in the right format for Shutterstock. So I'm going to go through that process with you now. All your documents need to be around 4,000 pixels to go on Shutterstock. And I've already got a workboard that's open that is 4,000 pixels. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste my original drawing that I've done. And then I'm going to increase the drawing to the scale of my artboard. And then from there, I'm going to go to objects and expand. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that the stroke is not ticked. Now this will expand everything in there. You might need to click into your drawing. I always group my stuff together, so you might need to double click in and expand specific areas if you've got fills and all of that sort of stuff. One thing to note on Shutterstock is you must have 4,000 pixels. You can't have any fills or anything like that, so all that needs to be expanded out. If you have got fills, yeah, you need to expand them. You can't have any live fonts, so any fonts that you've downloaded or any typography that you've done, also expand them as well because it is going to save you time in the future because you don't want to go back and re-upload them and all of that sort of stuff. And then you need to save it as an ESP file in Illustrator 8 or 10. So I'm going to do that now. So save as, change the name, save as ESP, yeah. And then I'm going to save as Illustrator 8. Okay, so that's done. I'm going to do a few different drawings at the moment. I want to upload about 6 or 7 at the same time. So I'm just going to quickly do that and then I'll come back to you in a second and I'll show you how to upload to Shutterstock. Okay, so I've done all the editing that I need to do to make sure that it's in the right format to go on to Shutterstock. So let's just go to our Shutterstock page. So this is mine, and as you can see, I've got unpaid earnings, and you want to go to the section that says upload images. And then I'm just going to drag and drop everything that I want to put on. And this is where they all start to upload. Yeah, you've just got to wait until they upload now.
I'm still waiting, baby, for my Shutterstock to upload all the pants. I know this shirt left.
So it's all uploaded now, and what you want to do is go to next, and this is going to pull you to a different section. So here it says your upload files are processing. We'll let you know when they're ready. And usually I just refresh the page to see if any content comes through. And here you go. There was a problem with some of your content. Click here for details. So as you can see, only 7 have uploaded okay, whereas 2 haven't. So let's go and have a look. So on the J's, your vector has unexpected pattern fills. Expand all the pattern fills and upload your file again. Okay, so this is the drawing, and it says there I've got patterns that need to be expanded basically. So clearly I didn't take my own advice. So let's just find out where these patterns might be. Okay, so let's have a look. So that's expanded, that one's through, and check everything to see what is expanded and what isn't. So maybe it's this, I don't know. So let's just object, expand. Yeah, these are all fine. So I'm just going to click into each individual one and see what needs expanding. Just going to expand everything. So it's the J's that were incorrect. So let's just go back to your original page. And then if you just refresh it and see if anything else. So it is just the J's. We upload the J's again and see if that's okay. Hopefully it will be. Okay, so while that is uploading, what I'm gonna do is I am gonna sort of talk you through the tag section. So if you click on this, you need to write a description. So this is a sweatpants short jersey base Maybe I don't need the jersey-based material, but then I'd put technical drawing, I'd put it in a category beauty and fashion, category 2. I always put it as abstract because it is. And then I also do all of my keywords and keyword suggestions. So I always take their suggestions quite seriously. So I'm going to put design, illustration, vector, drawing, line, let's see where else is sketch, template, and then I always add in my own, so technical drawing, CAD, and then I also find more keywords and then I type in what it is. So if you look, it already comes up with suggestions of that, but you can type in sweatpants shorts. And here you go, so there's more images here of similar product, and you can just keep going through and clicking them, and then it comes up with other suggestions. So you've got fast sports, sportswear, sweatpants obviously, clothing, casual apparel, pants, shorts, tracksuits. And then it also comes up with more suggestions down here. So you can only have 50 so far. So I've got 21, which is really good, but I want some extra ones that are gonna really help people find these images. So let's see, where else is it? Unisex, it's definitely unisex. Okay, I think that's everything that I wanna add. So here you just attach to selected, and that is that done. But all you have to do then is click submit. Okay. So here it's saying, please write at least 5 words. So that's another thing that you need to do. You need to make sure that all your descriptions are actually descriptive. You've got a minimum of 5 words within your description. And also all the tags that you're putting in are relevant to the actual image or drawing that you've done, because this gets checked after by a person. And if all your tags and everything aren't to what you've drawn, then it'll get rejected and you have to resubmit it all again. So you don't really want to be doing that more than once. So I'm just going to do this now. This was actually a good thing. I forgot about the 5 word thing, so it's a good job that it reminded me. So sweatpants, short, technical drawing. What else can I write? Drawstring. Sweatpant, drawstring, short, technical drawing. So submit that. And then it moves it from this section to the pending section. And then what this is going to be doing is your pending items will be reviewed within 5 days. So basically now it's a waiting game, and I'm going to go and do all my other CADs off camera. Just me checking in. I have uploaded all my stuff to Shutterstock now and done all the details and everything. It actually didn't take that long. It only took about 20 minutes to get all the information filled in, but all 9 things I've uploaded, so that's really good. I'm still waiting to hear back whether everything's been approved or not, but we'll see how that goes. But for now, I'm just gonna wait. Oh, me again, just checking in. So it's the next day and all of my Shutterstock stuff has been approved, so I don't have to go and make any changes or do anything to titles or anything like that, so that's great. Sometimes you do get bounce backs where you have to change the description or you have to change some of the tags that are in it. But if you do get that, what you're gonna have to do is re-upload the image, copy and paste the tag, and delete the tags that aren't right for the image, and then work on the title. It's so simple. Okay, back to the video. Now that's everything with this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to click that beautiful red subscribe button down below. Please leave a comment. Do you want to know more about Shutterstock? Do you want to know how to upload more stuff? How to do more bits and bobs on it? Let me know in the comment section below. Please, please, please also check out my Etsy shop where you can buy CADs and vectors to help support you in your everyday design life. And it really helps support this channel. Alright, okay, thanks for watching. Alright, bye. Tra tra tra. Bye.